Matthew 17. Jesus' body change. After 6 days, Jesus take Peter, James, and John, wey be James' brother, go on top one high mountain. Jesus' body come change. Him face come dey shine like sun, and him dress come white. At once, Moses and Elijah come appear. They talk to Jesus. So Peter come tell Jesus, "Oga God, it good make we stay here. If you like, I go build 3 tents. One for you, one for Moses, and one for Elijah." As he still dey talk, one bright cloud come cover them, and one voice come say, "This na my pikin wey I love. Make una listen to am." When the disciples hear the voice, then fear come fall face ground. But Jesus touched them, come say, "Stand up, make una no fear." When they look up, the only person where they see na Jesus. As they come down from the mountain, Jesus warned them, say, "Make una not tell anybody this vision where una see, until God go wake man pikin from death." The disciples ask him, "Why the law teachers they teach say Elijah go first come?" Jesus answer, "Na true say Elijah go first come, and he go repair everything. And I tell una say that Elijah don't come, but people not know him. Instead, they do him as they like. Na so too God pikin go suffer for their hand." Then the disciples come know say he dey tell them about John the Baptist. The disciples no fit heal people. When Jesus and his disciples meet the people, one man come lay down for Jesus front, beg am say, "Oga God, make you sorry for my son, because he no well, and many times the sickness they suffer and throw am inside fire and water. I bring am come meet your disciples, but they no fit heal am." Jesus come answer, "Una wey no get faith and wey no know wetin to do. How long I go dey with una? How long I go bear with una? Make una bring the boy come here." Then Jesus command the demon comot from the boy body, and at once the boy come well. When only the disciples dey with Jesus, they come ask him, "Why we not fit drive the demon comot from the boy body?" Jesus answered them, "Na because una faith too small. And I tell una true word, if una get faith wey small like mustard seed, una go tell this mountain, make you move from here go yonder, and it go move, and nothing go hard una to do." This kind demon, e no dey gree comot from person body, except na with fasting and prayer. Jesus talk about in death and resurrection again. When they enter Galilee, Jesus come tell them, somebody go sell man pikin, give wicked people, then go kill am, and for the 3rd day, God go wake am up. But the disciples not happy because of wetin Jesus talk. The temple. When Jesus and him disciples reach Capernaum, the people wey dey collect tax for the temple come meet Peter, ask am say, "Your oga, you dey pay temple tax?" Peter answer, "Yes." As Peter enter the house, Jesus come ask am, "Wetin you think, Simon? Who dey pay tax give kings for this world? Na people for the country or strangers?" Peter answer, "Na strangers dey pay tax." So Jesus come tell am, "Then their own country people dey free. But make dem no for cause trouble. Make you go throw hook for river. The first fish where you go catch, when you open im mouth, you go see money for inside. Then make you take the money, pay the tax for me and una." All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel. Then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone, go green una. Una go help us like the video, una go help us share am with una friends. And most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.